Welcome students to Virtual Teaching Tutor. Welcome to the world of fractions. Fractions are an essential part of mathematics that represent a part of a whole. They are composed of two numbers, the numerator, the top number, and the denominator, the bottom number. Understanding fractions is crucial because they help us describe quantities that are not whole numbers, allowing us to work with portions, ratios, and probabilities in everyday life. How to solve a fraction problem. A step-by-step guide. Let's tackle a medium to difficulty fraction problem. Add the fractions 2/3 plus 1/4. Step 1. Find a common denominator. Number 1. Identify the denominators. In this case, the denominators are 3 and 4. 2. Determine the least common multiple of the denominators. The least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12, as it is the smallest number that both denominators can divide into evenly. Step 2. Convert to fractions. Next, we need to convert each fraction to have the common denominator of 12. One, convert 2/3. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. 2. Convert 1/4. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. Now we have 2/3 equals 8/12. 1/4 equals 3/12. Step 3. Add the fractions. Now that both fractions have a common denominator, we can add them. 8/12 plus 3/12 equals 8 plus 3/12 equals 11/12. Step 4. Simplify if needed. In this case, 11/12 is already in its simplest form, as 11 is a prime number and does not divide by 12. So the solution to the problem 2/3 plus 1/4 is 11/12. So in conclusion, fractions may seem challenging at first, but with practice, you will become more comfortable working with them. Remember to find a common denominator, convert the fractions, and then perform the operation you need. Happy learning! If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate if you could share it with your family and friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button to show your appreciation. Subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content and make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted as soon as we release our next video. If you're interested in tutoring sessions, feel free to contact me at jriverstar@gmail.com. Support our mission. Visit our website and donate via the link below to make a difference today. Thank you for watching, and we love hearing your thoughts in the comments.